What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you a new feature in Google Chrome that allows you to create QR codes out of almost anything. So basically you can create a QR code out of a web page, so when someone scans the QR code they get brought to a web page, or you can create a QR code for like a specific image, so when someone scans the QR code they get a link and then that brings them to the image. So I'm going to show you how to do both ways. So as you can see, I searched Google into Bing even though I'm on Chrome. I know it's confusing, but I don't use Chrome, so don't worry about it. But let's say I want to do a QR code for google.com. All I have to do is right click on the page, and there's now an option in Google Chrome for create a QR code for this page. So you just have to click here, and boom, it just creates it right there. And if you want to scan it, you can scan it like it shows right here, or you can just click download. But here's where you can change the link to what the QR code goes to. So by default it's going to set the URL to what current page you're on, but you can also just change this if you want. So that's up to you. I'm going to click download and show you guys what it downloads as. It should just download as an image. Yep, a PNG. Put it on my desktop. Boom. And let's just take a look. And just like that, you have your own QR code saved for google.com. And now I'm going to show you how to do it for an image. So I'm on YouTube, and as you can see, these thumbnails are actually images, which is cool, because if you just right click on one of these, you can do create a QR code for this image. And same thing, here's the URL. It's a very specific one that just brings you to this thumbnail. But if you click download again, you'll have your own copy of this image. So all you have to do is you just open it up, or if it, you can do it in the preview as well, but you just open it up. And if you have a QR code scanner on Android, or if your phone has like a built-in QR code scanner with your camera, just point it at this and it'll bring you right to the website. So pretty cool feature. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.